Today, we would like to introduce you a new DIY dental cleaning product, the new teeth eraser, available in high configuration large box and small box hardcover. It is used for cleaning tartar that cannot be removed by daily brushing and restores the original color of your teeth. It is especially useful for our men who like to smoke, drink tea and wine, and for women who like to drink coffee and wine. The new teeth eraser adopts physical cleaning, relying purely on the microfibers inside the product to remove tartar without chemicals. No corrosive stains of chemical cleaners. When you open the box, there is a special built-in tray with a transparent lid and an instruction manual. The LF420 we are holding contains one handle for triangular wiping heads, 20 strips. The handle has a long S-shaped handle which has a nice shape, rounded lines, and a comfortable grip, with a place in the middle for the thumb to press down, making it easy to apply pressure when wiping. The wide sponge head at the top of the handle is the cleaning part, with a triangular head design for a better cleaning angle and smoother wiping. It is easy to use. Just wet it in water and wipe your teeth directly, keeping the sponge on the triangular head close to your teeth and wiping wherever they are dirty. After wiping, you can see yellow and gray stains on the strip, which is tartar and stains from the teeth. You can also wipe between the teeth, using the angled edge on the triangular wipe head to wipe against the teeth. The triangular head is easy to replace thanks to its plug-in design. Let's demonstrate the replacement of the tooth cleaning strips on the triangular wiping head. 1. Separate the clips on each side of the head. 2. Remove the used strips. 3. Unwrap the new strip. 4. Insert one end of the strip between the triangular wipe and the clip. Bend the triangular head, insert the other side and pinch the clip. 5. Press the middle of the clip and snap the clip into the slot with a click to complete the replacement of the strip. After replacement, insert the handle and you are ready to use. After use, the remaining product can be recycled in the tray and stored under cover. The new teeth eraser is patent protected and can be OEM in different quantities, configurations, and packaging.